already subscribed to my channel, find my link in the bio and please subscribe and share with some friends. And till next time.
Welcome back to my channel, my beauty babies. Happy Saturday. So you guys will not see this video until maybe Monday. We'll work it out. But I am back with a very cute little haul for you guys. I have a Eyevos video for you guys today. So they are a new company and they have eye contact lenses of all different varieties. So I'm here to show you guys what they do. So let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so they sent me 4 pairs of contact lenses I have on a set, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like and what I feel about them and so on and so on. Okay, so let's take a gander. Okay, so let me just start off by saying I have not worn contact lenses in years, okay, since my prom. That sounds crazy and far back, but I have not worn lenses since my prom. So I'm really happy at the simple fact that I actually have like a real quick change of look. I have a real quick so I love the fact that I just like that simple, quick and easy. I am a new woman, okay? So I'm not even Taj anymore. I am Cinderella. Okay, guys, so what I love the most about this right now is the fact that quick and easy, you could go from your ordinary self to a whole new woman, okay? Look at these eyes, guys. Tell me, what do you guys think? Are these natural? Do these look like you guys could see yourself easily wearing these? I'm not gonna lie, it took me several trials to get them inside my eyeball, but as you can see, guys, they look so pretty and so natural. But nonetheless, I really do appreciate the comfort and the alluring appeal of these lashes. So the color that I'm actually wearing right now is the Real India, and I feel like it really complements my skin tone. They feel very comfortable, and just to let you guys know, you guys can actually utilize your prescriptions on these eye contact lenses. All you have to do is get your prescription, input that into their website, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, so let me let you guys know that my sis is in the building and she cannot wait to show you guys her eye contact lens experience with Eyevos. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's me, Jessica, aka Breezy. So I just want to let y'all know that I do wear contact lenses often. I do wear just the simple basic colored contact lenses. You know, I have experienced different contact lenses that irritate my eyes, but these, when I first put them in my eyes, they were excellent. They felt great. They felt like they was not irritating my eyes. They were comforting. The color that I'm wearing right now, as you can see, is, I think it's called Taylor. They do not irritate your eyes. You can wear them all day to work. You can wear them to, you know, if you're going out. They're great. So if y'all want to pick up a pair, pick up a pair from Eyevos. They're great. Telling y'all.
That's what it is, and that's what's up. Okay, so I feel the same exact way. Like, for real, like, my sis had to help me even get these in my eyes. We didn't even record that. That was little behind the scenes. Y'all didn't even see that. But she literally had to open my eyeballs, stick them in there, and put them on. Okay, so now I'm on.
All the way in.
We both on. Okay? On.
Because if y'all don't pick these pairs up, any of these, Taylor or Real India, I'm telling y'all
missing out. So let me let you guys know, they actually did send 4 pairs of them. So the other pair are the Polar Lights as well as the Himalayas. So these other contact lenses, the Polar Lights is more picking up like the yellow tones, and the Himalaya also is picking up like some yellow lighter tones as well. But like I said, so I am wearing the Real Indiana, or actually the Real India. And my good sis, she's wearing the
Tailors.
The Tailors. So come in close. Let's just show them our eyeballs. So that's the difference. We have very similar skin complexions, but you can see the difference in our eyeballs.
Very pretty. So I need to pick these up. Very natural.
Yes. So ladies and gents, if you guys want to find some trendy eye contact lenses, now they also have lenses that are even more extreme than this. So go check out their website. They have lots of variety of eye contact lenses, from everyday to even over the top. Okay, so please do yourself a favor, check out their lenses and let them know that I sent you. Please do not forget, I actually have a discount code for a percentage off your purchase. So please go ahead and tap in, enter that promo code, and get with it. Okay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye, y'all. See, I can't. When you trying to holler, but her friend